What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. AuzSOME here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we are back at it today. The markets are actually looking pretty good. Over the last hour, it's gone a little bit flat, but I'll say for the most, it hasn't looked too bad. Excited to sort of see where we're going here in 2025. We kicked off 2025 looking nice. I'm going to be honest here. Probably the best we've looked in a long time. I mean, the 2024 candle of Bitcoin was insane. So yeah, looking forward to it today. You guys are already chatting up in the chat here, but I want to say what's up to everyone here on the A-Team over here on YouTube. Yes, I'm back on TikTok today. I won my appeal. So what's up, everyone on TikTok there? Good to see everyone. It's good to see that I thought for a minute there that I got kicked off on TikTok yesterday. So we're back live, thankfully. But what's up, Tim Shea? We got Michael, Intrigue, Chameleon. What's up, man? Double D, Autopops, Chris. Good to see everyone in here so far. About Making True Money, Seiko, Highway Nikki. Good to see. If I missed some of your guys' names, I'm scrolling fast through the. You guys are already chatting it up like none other here. Alexi, what's going on, dude? Annette, Luis, Robert, J-Lo, Chopper, Crazy Karen. Is that Crazy Kaysen? I always say Crazy Karen, dude. I don't know why I say that. Crazy Kaysen. Dangerous Dave, what's up, buddy? So it's good to see everyone in here live right now. We have a lot to talk about today. The markets are looking, like I said, good. A lot of us are very happy with where everything went. So let me pull this up here real quick. As you guys can see, the markets are a little bit flat over the last hour, but we just jumped into the hour. So we'll see what happens here. But overall, markets are looking really, really nice. XRP is looking really, really nice. If you guys don't know, billions of dollars flowed into XRP yesterday. And if you thought that was a lot, just wait until 2025 rolls out with January 15th coming up. I mean, we're only, what, 13 days away from January 15th. We're only roughly 18 days away from Trump taking office. And we're on the verge of probably an ETF coming out here in Q1 of 2025. So with all that, I think the catalysts are set for XRP in Q1 of this year. We all know that Q1 is a really, really good quarter for crypto, and it will be a good one for that of XRP. So yeah, markets are looking good. Even the stock market today was up earlier on the day. It's down slightly now. Obviously, jumping in here into 2025, some of the stocks are down. Tesla took a hit. Some other projects took a hit as well. Tesla shares slide after it reports first drop in annual deliveries. So again, Tesla being a large one took a little bit hit. That's obviously going to dampen the market slightly. And again, when you see Bitcoin dominance goes up, we'll see some altcoins go down. Bitcoin's a little bit on the rise right now. It's rose probably roughly about almost a full percentage, which isn't a ton, but it's definitely made the altcoin market go a little bit flat. But that's what we want. We want it to go a little bit flat. I told you guys it was going to hit up here. We had a level here on XRP sitting about 230. I said if it blows through 230, we're going to hit here at 240, and it's probably going to sit around 240, which right now it's trading between anywhere from 242 to 239, 238. So yeah, things are looking good overall. We had a really, really nice run yesterday. I mean, probably one of the better runs we've had in a long time. So what's happening? Good morning. Good morning. Tesla down because of the truck explosion yesterday. Probably that could be. Yeah, I mean, I don't think that's really crazy. I mean, that's a crazy thing, the event that happened, but I don't think that's gonna hurt the stock too much. This is actually my 9-year-old's YouTube that I just don't know how to crazy. That's awesome. Tomorrow's the day FTX returns come out. Yeah, so some people are already getting returns, RS Miller. Some people are already getting the returns for XRP. There's settlements that are already happening and taking place. So yeah, a couple of friends of mine have already got returns back from their FTX losses. So yeah, those deals are already being made. But a majority of them are probably on the verge of being released as well, especially larger accounts and things like that. So GS, what's going on, man? Good to see you, dude. Yeah, it did hold together pretty good. I got to hand it to it. So again, right here, XRP opens interest spikes 19% to top 2 billion as volume hits 11-day peak amid price recovery. As you guys know, we were down roughly around the $2.05 mark, almost $2 mark, basically on December 31st. And a ton of money came through into the markets. Like I said, I think a lot of it had to do with the unlocking of XRP. People were afraid of what was going to happen, right? The emotions played into XRP. And with that happening, I think a lot of people were worried about what was going to happen. Are they going to sell a bunch? Are they going to are they going to lock it back up? And the great thing is they locked a majority of it back up, which I think people came back into XRP that were maybe left because of some fear on that. So set my stop loss at 228 and sold half my bag yesterday. Okay. I mean, where'd you sell at? What's up, Shannon? Kokor. Yeah, good to see you guys. Kokor's in the house here. How was your New Year's, Austin? It was good, Greg. It was good. Yeah, it was really good, man. Hope yours was well as well, Greg. Gosh, I'm off today. Crypto Pondering, good morning. Good morning. Damien bought on at 207. Heck yeah, dude. 207 is a good purchase, man. Should we buy XRP where it's at the moment? Where I'm again, it's kind of I had to sort of see where this goes today. You can see right now the RSIs are hitting above the 80% marker. So I think I'd probably wait to play this out right now before I probably jump in personally if I started off. Mario, thanks so much for the roses. Edgar, thanks so much for the heart over here on TikTok. Thank you guys. Appreciate you all. We got roughly so far 700 people here on YouTube watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. We got roughly 126 people over here on TikTok. Make sure you guys give some hearts up in here and just set up your ledger. Nice, dude. Yeah, a lot of people are getting that ledger going, dude. Bro, you don't sell XRP before January 15th. Trump administration sits January 20th. Gensler officially resigns. I know that's probably gonna be a huge catalyst for crypto. Once we see Gary Gensler resign, I forgot about that. Right? Let's talk about that. Gary Gensler resigns. It's probably gonna spike the markets. I mean, I think that right there, January 20th is gonna be huge for crypto. It's gonna be big for crypto guys. I don't know what else to say other than it's big. Austin, what's up? What do you know about Dev? Carlos, I don't know anything about it, dude. Sorry, man. Thanks for the advice. I got it at 202 and sold at 239. Damn, Maverick. That's good. That's a good trade, man. Good job, dude. That's a good one. Sold at 228 when it dropped. Do I buy back or do you think it will drop again? We're right now it's dropping. You can see right now the RSIs on the 4-hour chart are working their way down, right? So again, doesn't mean it's going to drop all the way down, but it's probably going to be up here. It's probably going to come back down to this. It could come back down to this 235, 230 level and play out here, because if you look over, you can definitely see the 4-hour chart's over purchased. Right? It's already crossed back over and on its way down. The 12-hour chart is definitely on the verge of being over purchased, right? I mean, it's hitting last time it was this high was back on December 2nd, which is where we hit over here when it was this high above. The purchase power was this high above the it was like roughly about 99%, and right now we're sitting at about roughly 99. So this could flatten out, and it's not like means it's going to come all the way down, but I mean it could definitely hit around up here before we hit the next leg. The good thing is the day chart is looking really good, right? So we could do something like we saw right here, where it comes up, comes back down slightly on a retraces just slightly. Let me get the let me get Mr. Pompo out of the way, and let me get my head out of the way. You guys can't even see what the hell I'm doing. You can see what the volume chart right here. So on the RSI right here, you can see we can do something like this where we come up and then we come back down a little bit. We could do something like that where it comes up, comes back down a little bit, and then comes back up. That would be really nice, because that's what led us into this catalyst right here, is something like that. So the day chart's looking really good though. I think we're gonna probably we could trade sideways for a few days. We might have some catalysts coming up, but I mean, I think we could probably trade sideways. Bernie B, thanks so much for gifting 10 memberships to the A team. Thank you so much. If you got gifted a membership by Bernie, please say thank you and welcome to the A team. You're officially part of the A team. I'm gonna try to get my Discord up and running tomorrow, guys. Like I said, it might be a little clunky, but I figured, you know what, dude, let's just get it open. Let's get in there and let the chips fall where they may. Like I said, we'll get it, at least get it started, right? I mean, I guess that's the first thing, is just getting it started, getting people in there, and we can adjust on the run. Dave, what's up, buddy? Still looking good to me. Yeah, it's looking good. Don't get me wrong. We're still good. I think we're just gonna we'll probably be trading. We could be trading some sideways here. Again, Bitcoin dominance is up right now, which again, if this chart's going up, that means that we're probably going to flatten out to some degree. So we'll have to watch that as well. You can see Bitcoin's going up right now. Bitcoin's killing it right now. Bitcoin's on this massive candle right now, almost to 90. I think it just tapped at 97. So yeah, Bitcoin's looking really good. And like I said, usually when Bitcoin's starting to rally a little bit, altcoins will sort of sputter out. But yesterday was a great day for crypto. Let's not shy away from that. Yeah, I couldn't sell. I couldn't sell a large bag. Like I said, I could do some day trading. I'll do some day trading on selling my XRP, but I couldn't sell a whole bag. There's no way. How much do you have invested in XRP? we don't share that. We don't share numbers. I mean, I'm heavily invested. That's for sure. I think I sold too early. Average was 215. Sold at 240 on a swing trade before bed. Woke up 241. What do you think? No, we'll have, again. Don't get the FOMO, man. We'll there could be some retracements coming in here. This could drop back down to 235, right? Which is not a bad drop off before we build out of it again. Trading sideways is not a bad deal, right? I mean, don't just because we had this nice little rally, there could be some relief. Go back down to 230 right here would be nice, right? I don't want to see it drop back down here, but I mean, we could drop back down to 230, which is a nice little level of support here. You can see that's where this red line is. So we could drop back down there, which would be a good entry point, especially if you sold at 240. Which platform you use? TradingView. TradingView is the platform we use. Yeah, Gensler resigns on the 19th. Yeah, shit's going to get crazy, dude. Thank you. Yeah, that's awesome, Bernie. Thanks so much, man. Asia's asleep. Yeah, they're asleep 3 a.m. over there in Asia right now for most people. Day chart looks amazing, and it's going sideways. Yeah, exactly, Chameleon. I sold a small amount at 238 yesterday. I got in at ding, Deborah, that's good. $1.92. I know that people say crazy to sell, but I wanted to take some money. Hey, you know what? Don't let anyone tell you how you should feel, man. Deborah, you're you trade with intuition. I think you did a good job. Dude, I just learned you can earn crypto from using the Brave browser if you enable. I don't even know what the hell that is. Intrigue. So would you sell on a hard dip and buy back on the low or ride it out? What's your opinion? Well, I mean, yeah, probably. You obviously want the best price. So where are you from? I'm from Seattle, dude. You want to buy the best price. So even if you get caught up, you could DCA your way out of a position if you wanted to. It's really up to you. TNT. Hey, Austin, don't know if you missed it. What are your expectations on XRP releasing 2 million tokens today, 3 million on the 4th? I'm not really sweating the whole. I mean, they've been doing it for years, and I'm not really. I guess I don't really sweat them releasing tokens to the out, Tony. Just to be honest with you, I don't think. Is there going to be a link for Discord? Yeah, a diver. I'll drop the link, and you guys will be able to log in, and then be able to go in there. Like I said, it's pretty basic. Has some different channels you can go into, stuff like that. So which would be cool, but at least it will get the ball rolling, and that's what it comes down to. So Austin immediately disable everyone in Discord. I'll never hate on anything taking profits. Yeah, definitely never. You guys should take your profits. You know what I mean? Do it. Austin has 333,333 XRP. Austin has 69,000 XRP. That's funny. You guys are guessing my XRP number. You'll never guess it. Is 32 XRP at 58 cents enough? Dude, that's a fantastic purchase. That's a fantastic purchase. Austin I will buy 500 CRP, but I think it's going to dip a little bit. Did you mean Crow? Jorge, what are you talking about? Gomez? Jorge Gomez? Seattle? I know, Nicholas, right? So, yeah, this is a really good thing right here, right there. XRP skyrockets as market cap jumps 13 billion in one day. This is crazy volume, guys. 13 billion in one day is pretty damn crazy, right? That marked us. That took us back over Tether, as you guys can see right here. We're just slightly above Tether by $100 million. So we're back in the 3 spot again. We'll probably continue to go back and forth between these two, but it is nice to see that we're back in the 3 spot. Solana has jumped back above, almost jumped back above BNB here today. They hit 100 million or billion in terms of market cap, but then they fell shortly after that. So even Solana was looking pretty good this morning to take out that 5 spot. But yeah, XRP is still holding strong right here. You can't be upset about that. And it says the 13 billion in one day is a massive amount of trading. And mostly it was driven by Upbit, a South Korean focused exchange, where they did 1.3 billion just on Upbit alone, which is nuts. I mean, that's crazy. That just shows you the power of how bad is the home. It's actually getting a little better, Nicholas. Getting a little better, dude. I can't hear you. You can't hear me? I'm sorry, dude. I think I'm coming through fine on TikTok. What's up, G Mindset? What do you see XRP reaching by March? By March, I mean, I think that we're gonna hit. I think that Q1 of this year will probably hit all-time highs. That's what I'm sticking with that, dude. All right, Anthony, appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, guys, just trolling. Yeah, I think that we're gonna hit some. I think we'll hit all-time highs by Q1 of this year for XRP, and the reason why is because we got Trump coming in, we got the ETFs on the verge, we got Gary Gensler leaving, we got the settlement, most likely a settlement coming in with the SEC. There's just too much going for XRP, and then we got obviously the ISOs coming this year. Where banking the institutions are going to have to move over. Not that that's going to be like they're going to start using XRP, but I mean it's just something that helps out big time. So right here, XRP price rises, January effect starts. Ripple ETF odds rise. This is huge for I think a lot of people here. Is just this alone right here. It says Trump has named Paul Atkins to be the next head of securities at the SEC. It says, while these developments have already been priced in, Ripple and other cryptocurrencies could see further gains ahead of these events. I think that's true. I think that there is a price built in for this actually happening. But I think people are going to realize that like once Gary Gensler is out of office, it's going to create a major catalyst. A little more than 1.2 million. Been on a 4-year XRP journey, already so worth it. Oh, Joe, buddy, that's awesome, dude. Is XRP a late in the game to join in? I think XRP has a lot of room still, dude. I mean, their goal is to take out Ethereum, right? You guys know that. I mean, the goal is to right here. The question, that's a good question you asked, right? Is it too late to get into Ethereum? So it says top financial experts say XRP's train has left the station. It says XRP's train has left the station. Ongoing performance has caught attention of many in the community, including other people here. And it says that the XRP train left the station. The likely suggests that the chance to buy XRP at a lower price has passed and that the price will continue to rise. In particular, she believes XRP's next destination is Mars. I hate when people say stuff like that. But it says, well, not specific. There's no specific target. They are thinking that it could reach anywhere from $4 to $5 before losing momentum and taking a break. So I think a lot of people are thinking that if you're thinking that $4 to $5, which is basically 100x, or sorry, it's 100%, it'll go 100% up from where it's at today. I mean, it's still a really, really good return on your investment. Dick Kick Actual, thank you so much for the $5 donation. No question, just enjoying the knowledge on this channel. Keep crushing. Appreciate that a ton, man. Thanks so much for the donation to the channel and the kind words. I do appreciate that a ton, man. And Happy New Year's to you. Intrigued, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Can you do a step-by-step guide in Discord on how you set up the graphs? You show us a basic trending virtual. Yeah, dude, I'll do a lot of that stuff. That's what Discord's for. We come onto the YouTube and we talk about crypto. We talk about where it's going. We talk about our projects and things that are exciting in the space and what's going on in the news and stuff like that. That's kind of where YouTube is. The Discord's more of a place where we can go and talk about other things that aren't, don't bog down a stream. Talking about the intricacies of a chart can bog down a stream. So yeah, that's kind of what Discord's for. We can set aside times in there. I'll make sure I'm, set aside time to go into the Discord and do things like that for sure. And Trig, thanks so much for the $5 donation. Awesome price is $239 right now. You think it's going to dip? Maybe. I think we're going to flatten. I don't know if it's going to dip. I hope it doesn't dip back down to that level that you're talking about. I mean, it very well could. Don't get me wrong. But I think we're on positive momentum right now. We're 15 days away from not even that, dude. We're 13 days away from their hearing, which again I think is going to be positive. We're honestly, January 20th is right here, dude. It's almost here. I think that's going to be huge. And so I just don't know. I think there's just a lot of positive momentum. Doesn't mean something can't happen in the market. But yeah, I mean, I think it's going to probably be right around this, anywhere from 240 to 235 for a few days. It could be here for a week, dude. We could trade just like we were trading sideways here. I mean, this went from Thursday, December 26th, all the way to January 1st, basically. I mean, that's, if we go back and actually look, that's a pretty, let me go to this chart. You'll see this a lot better. And let's get rid of this Bitcoin dominance over here. Look at that chart right here, dude, guys. I mean, that's a trade. That's trading sideways. Like we hit up, we came down, hit up, came down, and now we're building. So if we trade sideways until like the 15th to 20th, I mean, going up and down, we could do that, right? Which again, this is just a perfect time to do some swing trades. I mean, this is a really easy chart to trade on. This has been one of the easiest charts to trade on in a long time. especially in this market. It's been a super easy chart to trade on. So yeah, Shannon, thanks so much for the $20 donation, bro. Appreciate you a ton, dude. As always, holding it down for me as the longest A-team member, which is crazy, right? I didn't know that until it came through. So yeah, that's pretty nuts. So thanks so much for the $20, bro. And happy New Year's to you, dude. I try to sit down every day with a glass of homemade brandy and watch you. Oh, dude, that's awesome, David T. You must be in a different. What time is it where you're at? Is it afternoon or nighttime? I'm talking about this chart right here, dude. This chart. This is a trading. We're trading sideways. We've been trading sideways basically since we hit this high right here of 280, 290. And then we come down and we've sort of traded sideways, right? In a little bit of a downward trend, but I mean, we haven't hit new lows, right? Since we came down and hit this low of 190, we haven't hit a new low yet. So that's positive. So once we start hitting new lows, then you should be concerned about a downward trend. Eastern Standard Time. All right. So you're drinking some nice brandy in for lunchtime. I get it. XRP to the moon. Yeah. Some streamers last night said that he'd never buy XRP because Ripple owns 50% and they sell $1 billion a month. Is that a thing, or is that just? Well, I mean, yeah, they have escrow, dude. That's a big part of why. I mean, some people think that that's a weakness, but some people think that's a strength. And yeah, they do sell, but I mean, I think it's done very positive. So, yeah, some people, hey, to each our own, right? And nothing against that streamer. I mean, he could choose to do and put his money where he wants. It's the top 3 crypto in the world, so you can't really be too disappointed with that. Awesome. Let me give you the secret to life. 2 words, Holy Bible. This will change your life. Appreciate that. It is confirmed this thing will continue to go up in the hundreds. I'm never selling. Yeah, I mean, I think it's going to compete with ETH again, right? So one of the things here is that we talk about the chart right here where it talks about surpassing ETH. It says, however, despite XRP being a significant challenger to ETH's position, there's currently a gap of 273 billion between XRP and Ethereum. So Ethereum sitting at about 410 billion, while XRP sitting about 137 billion. So I think that again, XRP did take out Ethereum at one point, right? XRP at one point was larger than that of Ethereum back in 2017, 18, somewhere in that ballpark. So it flipped ETH a couple times. It could do it again. Releasing 1 billion every month, even if they pull some back, it's absurd when there's no utility to eat it. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, now that I think there's utility to eat it. I think now with the SEC and banks starting to be able to use it and them not being deemed a security and allowing institutions to start moving money into it, I think that could change the game. XRP will surpass the ETH. I think so too, Joaquim. Been day trading XRP, took profits at 220. Hell yeah, dude. That's what I like to hear. So yeah, I think it could jump ETH. You go over here and look at this is the depth chart right now, and you can see. I mean, look at the sell wall over here at 250. Look at the sell wall that was built up here at 250, guys. So again, when you ask yourself, is it going to go up? Is it going to blow up or go past the next level? I mean, it's going to hit some resistance. We're going to hit some resistance right here, even at 240. Right, this 240 right here is a pretty decent wall. Right, we zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom in a little bit. Right, I went the wrong way. Sorry, guys. So we're at 240. I mean, you go up here to 245. It's not that bad, but then all of a sudden you get here to their next level right here is right around look at oh shoot. Why does it keep doing that? It keeps scrolling in. Yeah, right here. 250 is the wall I'm looking at. Another one right here at 245. Pretty decent wall there, but 250 is going to be a hard number to get past. There's some massive selling pressure, probably some shorts that are going to be in there. So there's going to be more one train for XRP. I think so. Yeah. Do you think ISO will affect the price? Yeah, I mean, I think it's going to help out. ISO, I mean, I think ISO is a good thing. What do you think about this triangle effect? You talking about the proof institutions aren't trading / using XRP as transactions? Yeah, we'll see what happens. I mean, I think that there's still What is the difference of a live and a Discord? Oh, a Discord is just a place you can go into and talk, right? It's a place offline. It's basically like a chat you can go into and you can talk about, there's things that are being put in there. People, it's basically just a place to go and talk amongst as a community. And you can do video. You go live in there. I can go live in there as a video, share screens, have people come up and talk if they want to talk. Have an open mics. People can talk on the open mic if they want. Talk back and forth. There's a lot of things in Discord that are good. That moment you honey badger, that's actually pretty funny. And the moment you teach your financial advisor about it. Yeah, that's funny, dude. Timothy, thanks so much for the £5 donation, dude. Tima has consolidated for a few days, ready to blast off. I'm assuming that's what you meant, and cross all-time highs. Specifically, a few new exchanges listings coming up. Oh, that's awesome. Thanks so much for keeping us up to date, and I appreciate the £5 to donate to the channel here for the Tima team. Thank you very, very much. How is HBAR looking? HBAR is looking really good, actually. I mean, it's consolidated a little bit here, but I mean, it's hit right where our numbers are. Look at this, dude. It's we said it was going to hit around this 239, and it keeps hitting back and forth between this. So we drew the white line. You can see it's definitely consolidated at this white line. So that's a good level of support right there. Obviously we've hit some resistance. We hit resistance here, and now we're now we're going sideways with this. So we'll see if we can actually get above this resistance and try to create a new level, which again, the new level will be right up here at the 31 marker. But we got to get past this level. We knew that this was going to be a hard level to get by. We can actually look at the depth chart on that as well. If you'd like, we can see where that's at. Where's my HBAR at? Rebecca, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Can you briefly explain Coinbase Premium, please? I'm seeing mixed reviews, but I feel like it's worth having through the markets. Yeah, so just the premium is, so you have Coinbase One, and then you have basically HBAR is outperforming XRP. HBAR, yeah, no, HBAR is doing really well, dude. HBAR has done very well. Did you talk about the day trading on XRP? It's done great, dude. The returns for the day trades on XRP have been better than that of XRP. HBAR's returns have been crazy. So, but yeah, back to what you're saying here is, yeah, so Coinbase Premium is really just you pay $299.99 a month, and you get no trading fees. So basically, if you make a trade, you're not going to have to pay all the fees, and you're not going to have to when you move your money back and forth, you're not going to get charged anything. I think the Coinbase One, if I remember, it's like you up to $10,000. You will pay on spot trades. You will pay a small percentage, but it's like it's very small. It's minimal, and plus they give you a kickback, so that's really good. They secure through like insurance wise, they secure up to $250,000 on your account, so that could be positive to know that your money is at least insured if you leave it on the account. So yeah, those are the big things for me. Just because we don't really have a lot of exchanges here in Washington that are approved, so yeah. So Coinbase is kind of the one you're stuck with if you're in Washington. But yeah, thank you so much, Rebecca, for the $5. Took some profit yesterday at 233, looking for a weekend dip. Thoughts? Yeah, I think there's a chance for XRP. I mean, right now the indicators are showing that we're coming down. Well, that's HBAR. Let's go back to XRP. We're coming down on the 4-hour chart, starting to work its way back down. It could have a little bounce back, but I mean, we're already working our way down, showing that it's oversold on the 4-hour. The 12-hour showing that we are definitely oversold right now. Over purchased. I said oversold. Over purchased. Now, when will this actually come down? I don't know. Will it start today? Will today be the day that we start to see it come down? The day chart's looking, like I said, pretty good though. It could do something like we saw right here. Again, I keep putting the comments in the way. It could do something like we saw right here. See this? I'm hoping it does something like this. See that little trend right there? Goes up, went up about to the 68, 70 marker, and then came back down to about the 41. I'm hoping that we do something like that. So we'll probably come up, we'll come down. We'll definitely flatten out because you can see the 4-hour, the 12-hour is definitely above, and the 4-hour is on its way working down. So we could go sideways like this, but we will see a little bit of some downtrend at some point. Again, whether that's 240, 245, but we'll see more of it come down. So I hate when influencers get their XRP facts straight. Oh, when when they can't get them straight. Yeah, so yeah, it happens, right? Ripple puts back 65% plus every single month. Yeah, they usually lock up a lot. It flipped ETH multiple times. Yeah, it flipped ETH multiple times. Oh, is that why Godfather? They bought ETH? Do you use that screen on TradingView? Yes, I do. Discord is a program that runs on your computer. You can use it on your phone too. You can use Discord on your phone as well. Angel, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. I appreciate it so much. You're now official member of the channel. Thank you very much and welcome. Virtual killing it. Welcome. Yeah, that's awesome. This morning, 30 minutes, an hour meeting was me thinking about Ripple changing how the bank was going to change. Honey Badger, that's actually pretty funny, dude. I started crypto about 2 months ago. Not really big into meme coins. What's good? Altcoins do you like? Yeah, we're really into the ISOs, HBAR, XLM. There's a lot out here that we're involved in. You can look over here. Kaspa is a big one. Flare. Like I said, I'm kind of into the more decentralized stuff. So Uniswap, SushiSwap, Jupiter, those kind of things. I like again anything that's more decentralized. I like, so I kind of lean into those kind of things. Hey, what's up, Timsky? Hey, everyone, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe. Oh, appreciate you, Timsky. Thanks so much, man. Yeah, we got roughly 1,466 people in here. Thank you guys so much for being here and hanging out. Austin, is there a low price for HBAR? Where would you buy more? Yeah, HBAR's it's definitely, after it's ripped yesterday, it's gone a little flat, right? We'll have to kind of monitor where this goes, but it looks like it's coming down. They said I was just reading, some person was putting out these outflows right here this morning. They were saying that the RSI remains above the 50 neutral line, indicating that a broader market is still providing some bullish support. The stability of the RSI suggests that HBAR will face some resistance, which again, I've not just HBAR, but XRP is going to face some resistance right here. But they're basically saying that it's coming down on the let's go on the 1 hour. I think they're saying on the 1 hour chart or 12-hour chart. Huh. I don't know where they're getting that information from. It's not even close to the remains above. Okay, so they're saying above. I read that wrong. But they're saying that it's stuck between the 39 and the 25. It said tested the 39 resistance once. They think that it could drop down to 25 cents. Again, that could be a pretty far drop, but HBAR has been on some pretty big swings right now. This 26 cents right here, we dropped all the way down to 25 right here. But yeah, this has had some pretty easy drops. 26 cents comes back up, right? We come down, up, down, up. Right now, we're back up here. I'm hoping that we come back down to like maybe, well, if I go back to XRP, let's go back to XRP and look at where we think the price. If XRP drops from here, it's about a 5% decrease. All right, so if we think about a 5% decrease, where would that put HBAR? Markets could dip about 5%. So about 27, yeah, 27 marker maybe is probably where I'd probably look into buying, right? I'd probably set a one there, and then I'd probably set an aggressive one down here at the 10% mark down here at roughly 26.5 maybe. You could probably go a little lower than that one. Some people think that 25 could be hit again, which again is a super aggressive one. But I mean, those aren't bad. Again, set it and forget it, right? Put some money and just, hey, if it hits, it hits. And again, those orders could be good until canceled. So just make sure you have the money. Yeah, $2.99 a month. It's expensive. It's expensive, dude. My birthday is Sunday. Wondering what new meme is going to add for the birthday gift. I don't know, man. There's a lot of cryptos out there that are, new projects launching every day, pretty much. New things coming up, new things coming out. So, yeah. I have a few projects that have already asked to promote inside the Discord. So we'll see what happens. I'll ask the community if they want that or not. Let's see here. Wait till Trump gets in. It's gonna go sky high. I think so too, Peter. Mike Evans joining Goat JRS on Sunday. Oh, is he really? Damn. TB13. I hear you talk about Kaspa. Is it not sold on Coinbase? No, it's not sold on Coinbase. It's really hard to get. Kaspa is really hard to buy. Kaspa, it's one of those I like it. I like it. It's a mineable. It's crypto. I think it has some positivity towards it. It's obviously proof of stake, but some people it's old fashioned. But I kind of like Kaspa, but there's just I can't buy it anywhere. All the markets are, like I said, Kraken I can't buy here. MEXC's gone. KuCoin's gone. Like everything in Washington's gone. Makes it really hard to buy. Plus, it's on a blockchain. So I mean, trying to buy the coin is tough. I mean, I guess you could try to do it on Binance Wallet, but I haven't really gone that far yet. So oh, the RSI setting, you just got to put in RSI. You don't have to set the settings. The RSI settings are set for you, dude. You can just change the colors and where you want to look. But yeah, that RSI settings pretty much you just click it and the indicator's there. The Discord will be. I'm gonna try to get up tomorrow, Chameleon. Kaspa's on Bitmart. Yeah, but I can't use Bitmart here in Washington, dude. It sucks. But yeah, if anyone else can, I mean, it's kind of lame. I think someone said Kaspa's on Uphold. I think that's where I think someone told me it was on Uphold. I gotta maybe check out Uphold. Just positivity Biden body double. What about HBAR, brother? Yeah, HBAR is looking solid, man. I mean, we're just talking about HBAR. You know, on the 12-hour chart, we've had two 12-hour charts that have had some doji candles looking so undecided levels right here, which is okay. Can you look up Helium? Yeah, dude, that's one thing I own. I own some Helium Mobile, and Helium I definitely am a part of, but it's down right now. This thing went on a massive tear, dude, up to what, almost $10, and it's come back down to $6. So when this thing rips it up, one thing about Helium, dude, is that when this thing goes, it goes. And then it comes back down. So these are like some crazy swings in the buy market. But yeah, Helium Mobile are two that I obviously have jumped in on. Here's Helium Mobile. This is kind of like my degen play. But I like Helium. I like the Helium. I've been in Helium for a while now. The Helium ecosystem. Boy, you would have to move it. I know, Big Watch. They are too fresh. What's up, Austin? Quick thoughts on AMP and VeChain. I mean, I like VeChain. I don't own any AMP, dude. What do you think XRP will be by Christmas? Oh, you're saying 2025? Good question. That's so far out. I mean, I think we're gonna be doing good. Uphold is definitely a good exchange. Okay. 29, even though you can use a VPN. Yeah, a lot of them are making you hold the a lot of them are make you like have your notification, like you have to show your physical location. Realistic XRP dip, looking to set a limit order. Well, we could see we can go back and look at the depth chart here. So you can see a lot of people have buy orders for XRP, or sorry, for like this one right here is at 28. That's a pretty big buy wall. Look at the buy wall. So here's the buy walls for HBAR, right? So 27, a huge buy wall at 27. Another pretty good one at 26. Another good one at 25. You even have a nice little buy wall at 28.8 right now, which is right here, which is a good buy wall. So you can see where a lot of other people are setting their buys, right? Okay, let's look at XRP now. Let's say everything goes right for XRP 10 years from now. What do you think the absolute high limit will be? I mean, I'm hoping, like, you know, if everything goes right and we keep putting trillions of dollars into the market, I think that, you know, I mean, the $20-$30 range is not out of the question for me, dude. I mean, that's a couple trillion in terms of market cap. That's not that hard to get. So here's XRP. Let's look at where XRP is at right now. We want to say, where's our next buy? Where do we want to put our next buy order in? It's pretty mixed actually right now where people are at. Damn, okay. We got a nice buy wall at 238. So there's a nice volume coming here at 238. Another one here. Oops, let's go. I mean, you got one here, yeah, 238. Got a decent one here at 233, it looks like. Around the 233 marker. Not a whole lot, dude. Yeah, the 220 is pretty good right here. This is all 220. 225 to 220 is a nice little wall right here. Yeah. And then the $2 obviously huge. Like the $2 big. People, there's gonna be a big wall at $2 right here. But right here is probably this 220 to 225 is a pretty big mixed result of buys right here. So those are your buy orders. I mean, that's the aggressive buy orders. People have it at 232. There's a decent wall here at 232 right here. So yeah, people, this is pretty mixed results, dude. I don't think people. This just shows me that people don't know. People again, they're setting it and hoping that it hits those and they get a good buy. I mean, that's kind of what it looks like. Like where you look over here, these people are like dead set. Like, hey, if this thing hits 250, I'm selling. Right? If this thing hits 260, I'm selling. Usually that's where a lot of these walls are here. But I mean, again, these can change over seconds, right? People can move their limits out of, they can move them back and stuff like that. So yeah, don't always get caught up on that. What's your opinion on the XRP SEC appeal, dude? I think it's going to get moved on. I think that they're gonna settle it, dude. Not on the 15th, but I definitely think once Trump gets in office, they're gonna settle it. I think Paul Atkins, yeah, Paul Atkins. I think you're great, man. What is your price prediction for XRP in this run? Like I said, if we get to $7 to $10, I'm pretty happy, dude. People are, if Viking Cats thinks 15 to 20 in the cycle, hey man, if that does, that's even, dude, that'd be nuts. Solo, thanks so much for the $2, man. Hey man, love the channel. When is the meme coin season? Usually meme coin season follows altcoin season, so it usually falls into the end of the market. So if we think that we think that the height of the market's going to end right around August, then meme coin season usually is probably right in the middle of summertime. Meme coin season seems to be right in the middle of summer and into the height of the bull, and then following the bull. Usually that's when meme coin season hits. Farcoin, hey man, to each your own on that. Do you think we see new corrections back down? Some people are thinking we are. I don't know, man. Unless something happens in the market, like I said, unless there's a catalyst that happens, right? I mean, I think if nothing happens, we stay status quo. Like I said, people can change the market so quickly, easily manipulated. One Grayscale and BlackRock could start selling their ETFs. The next thing you know, we're down. That's kind of what happened on a couple days ago. So it's really hard to judge that, like, because we just don't know. But I mean, everything's indicating that we're probably going to stay at these levels. We should stay around these levels for the next catalyst, which is going to be January 20th. Usually it happens like right before the height of the bull run. Usually is when we start to see a lot of meme coins start to peak, and then usually meme coin season goes into the end of a bull run. Like in 2021, 2022, I mean, meme coin seasons were like, we had major growths on meme coins, and even after all-time highs for Bitcoin. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. Right now, it's looking for the next best buy for XRP. Like I was saying, is probably there's a pretty good buy order at 235, and 220 are the two levels I think people are like really set. That's where we had some walls on the depth chart. So if you go back and look at the depth chart, and that's just Coinbase, but I assume that's probably playing the same. If you mirror that across all exchanges, probably pretty similar. But yeah, the 225. That 220 to 225, I think, is a good buffer. That's where a lot of people have put their aggressive buy orders in. So that could be the next level. Do you think those walls in the depth chart are bots? Oh yeah, it's all bots. Most of that is bot. I mean, most of them are just setting it, and they set their trades up well in advance. Yearn Finance has been around for a while. Do you think XTX repayments will be another potential catalyst? I don't know what people are going to do with the money. You know what I mean? I don't know if it's tough to say, dude. Some people might just sell out, and who knows, man. It's going to be hard to say. It could be a downturn. I mean, you could have a lot of people being, they're going to exit the market. They get paid back in ETH, they get paid back in dollar. I don't know. Again, if they get paid back in dollar, if they get paid back in USD, I don't see it hurting the market. If they start getting paid back in the crypto, like Ethereum, Bitcoin, stuff like that, and start selling that, I mean, that could probably cause a little downturn. Hopefully maybe the settlements happen in dollar. I don't know. It's a good question. I should ask my buddy. I should ask if he got paid in dollar or not. Oh, I mean, you're probably going to lose half that, John. John Birch, you'll probably lose 60%. Usually in the bear market, we lose about 60% of the market. So you'll get back down to $4. If it hits to $10, you'll probably be down to $4. We lose about 60% in the market. If you go back and you look at the history of Bitcoin, right? We'll just use Bitcoin as the indicator here. Let's go back to the week chart because it's easier to do a week chart when we're pulling back. All right, we can go back and we can look at the weeks. Let me pull this back here. So we know that the height of the market back at this time was over here. So it went all the way down. We lost in this market here. We lost 76% of the market in this last bull run in 2021 to where we hit the ball time lows. We had some crazy major. We had the FTX fiasco, Luna fiasco. So there's a lot of catalysts, like Celsius and Voyager and all these things that like really hurt the market. So this came down. We lost 76% in the market right there. So that's a pretty big downturn in the market. Okay. So let's go and look at the previous bull run here. We go and look at the one that happened in 2016, 17. And we could say that up at the peak here, dropping down below, we lost another 70. So we could lose anywhere from 70% of the market. So maybe down to $3, dude. So if we say that the height of the market, we don't know where the height of the market's going to be. This thing went on a crazy tear. Went on a 1,400% tear, right? So can we actually do that again? I mean, I don't know. That's pretty. Some people were thinking like we're going to get to 180. Let's just say that we get to 180, right? 180 is a pretty fair number across the board. I think people are saying that we can get to for Bitcoin. Oops. So let's just play. Let's just have fun. Let's just do some trend lines here. Let's just have fun. We don't know what the number is going to get to here, but we'll just say that Bitcoin's peaks at 180. Okay, which again is a pretty good catalyst from where it's at right now. If it went up to 180 at an all-time high, that'd be almost 86% from where we're at right now. Hopefully, maybe it goes higher than that. We'll see. Some people were thinking 250. We can play that out as well. But okay, let's just say it gets to $180 for Bitcoin. Then we're going to lose. We lose about 76% in the market. So that would put Bitcoin 75% in the market. That put Bitcoin back down to 44,000. But I don't see that happening because right now, which means that we probably got to adjust this because it's not going to go lower than its all-time high of the previous bull run, which is about 68,000. So that means that I got to adjust this to account for that. So that means that Bitcoin potentially could go higher because of that. So let's go to 225. Again, we want to be 76%. We want to say that the previous one, yeah, so 225 is most likely 225 to 230, maybe even 250 could be the level of Bitcoin in this run based off of this before, because usually the low in the next market is basically will match the peak of the previous bull run. So the previous bull run was 68,000, right? So if we say that the next run is going to put us down and it seems like 75% is the dip in the market going into the next bear market. So we can say that in anticipation that would put us right around 250,000 for Bitcoin. So again, these are just trends. These are just levels. These are just things that we're looking at. It's not guaranteed, but we know that in a bear market that we lose anywhere from 60 to 70% of the market. We'll lose 60 to 70% of the bull run or of Bitcoin. And we know that most times the low in that bear market dips down to the height of the previous bull run. So the previous bull run being 68. So 250,000 is not out. It's not absurd. That's not an absurd number to hit. That would put us up from where we are right now. That'd put us about 158% up on Bitcoin. 158. That is doable without question. That is doable. 158% up from where we're at with Bitcoin is a very doable number. That would basically turn almost a $4 trillion market cap, almost a $5 trillion market cap for Bitcoin in this cycle. I don't think that that's undoable. With all the ETFs coming in here, with the changing of the guard for the SEC and everything going on, I do not think that that's outside the question. So 250 Bitcoin, I'm calling the top on that. 250 Bitcoin right now, based off the numbers rough crazy numbers that we just put out there. And if it gets above 250, I'll be even more excited about it. So, but I'm not the only person that's calling 250. I mean, there's a ton of people out there that have called 250 top for Bitcoin. Some people think 300,000 for Bitcoin. And if that happens, that's great. So anything above 250 is a spectacular number for us. So where would that put us for XRP? The only thing that's hard about XRP is they didn't get a full bull run last time. So it's hard to judge their number. because they got cut off at the knees. So we don't know what the previous bull all-time high would have been. So it's hard to assess XRP because they got cut off at the knees in the last bull run with the SEC. So that's kind of hard. Am I going to liquidate all my bags? I'll probably be aggressive. Yeah, Sam, I'll probably be aggressive this bull run for sure. Yeah, I won't lie to you guys. Yeah, I'll probably be aggressive with selling, trying to time the top and sell and try to make a hefty profit to bring into the bear market. Absolutely, dude. That's the game. That's the game, Sam. That's what we're all here for. We're all here. I mean, you don't hold to the top and hold to the floor. You hold to the top, you sell, you buy the floor. So that's the game, dude. You just got to be able to have the patience and don't let the FOMO or don't let your emotions get in the way of doing that. A humble servant, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Happy New Year's. Price target for IOTA by February. I don't know enough about IOTA to know that, humble servant, so I'm sorry. I think if all the altcoins continue to rally, I think IOTA probably will rally. 1,600 strong in the chat. Yeah, we have roughly 1,624 people watching right now. Appreciate you guys. Awesome, been consistent with these lives. We're keeping the faith. XRP Army, hell yeah, dude. So, but with that said, I mean, I think that if we rally like that, I mean, that's a big percentage up for XRP, right? So, I mean, what does that do for the wall over here, or what does that do for the creation over here for XRP? I mean, if we're saying that Bitcoin's going to go up 178% for Bitcoin, I stand true. So if we're saying 175% for Bitcoin, that means that XRP is going to hit 175% probably, which would put it at about $6, right? What did I say my goal was? $7. So if we play that out, let's play that out again. Let's do another horizontal line at $7 here. Right? $7. The previous high of the previous thing was $3. So if it drops down from $7 to $3, dude, what is that? Dude, that plays out perfectly, guys. 70% loss, 71% loss in the markets puts us at the previous all-time low of the previous market, which again was sitting at roughly 190. So XRP has a chance to drop back down to 190 after it hits $7 based off these numbers. So $7 is my marker, dude. $7 is my marker in this bull run. We'll lose 70% in the bear market, which will put us back down to $1.90 XRP in the bottom of the bear, based off of history, based off of how we look at everything else. That's where I'm sticking to that. And I'm gonna keep it there. If we're gonna do these fun predictions, might as well keep it there so we can see if we can track it. Bro, we need to plan a Vegas party. I'm buying other stuff now. XRP. Yeah, dude. There's so many things out there, dude. Ondo price before it releases. Is Ondo doing good? What's up, D5? Evelyn, what's going on, dude? Personally, I grind my own beans and put my XRP on better things in 10 years. Yeah. And again, I'm not saying XRP is to say I'll be all. There's a lot of other projects out there. There's a lot of other things that are going to launch. There's a lot of other opportunities out there. This bear won't be the same for XRP this time. Yeah. I'm just saying if we just look at trends, right? That's all it is. Rob, you can go up to my channel here on TikTok. You can go over to my channel and click on Awesome Austin and come over to the YouTube side where I show everything. So, hey, Clicks, thanks so much for the love, all the love and the hearts. And Matt, thank you so much for the 2025 donation. Alan, thank you so much for the hearts. User 674, thank you so much for all the donations over here, the finger hearts and the 2025 and the lightning bolts. Rated R, thank you so much for the roses. I really, really appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. Anti-Soul, thank you so much for all the roses as well. You guys are great over here. Damn. Appreciate all the donations here too. Hey, Austin, do you take profits on your long-term holds? XRP? Yeah, this bull market, you take profits, dude. You try to find the height of this market and you take your profits, dude. Yeah, I'll probably sell a decent amount of my bag for sure, without question. I will fully liquidate bags just like everyone else. Everyone else is going to be the people that are going to be millionaires in this space and make money in this space are the people that are going to sell. If you are convinced, or people are telling you to hold and hold and hold and hold and hold the top and then hold to the floor, that is the worst thing that you could do. So when everyone else is selling, you should be selling too. Hey buddy, that's the name of the game. So people that get offended by that, yeah, that's what we're here for, dude. Warren Buffett did not get rich by holding the top and having to go all the way to the floor. Awesome Chuck Norris, on your watch list, you have BTC, USD, and XRP used twice. Is one Coinbase and the other index? The other one's big. The other one's Binance. Intrigue. The other one's Binance. And I switch between the two because I just want to see the different volumes. So one's Coinbase right here, and the other one, this one's Bitstamp. And the only reason I have Bitstamp up is because a long time ago I used Bitstamp as my starter, and so it's just my old graph that I have here, and I didn't want to lose it all, so I've sort of kept it for fun, just to like look at the history of what we've charted. But yeah, you could choose anything. This one's Binance for XRP, and this one's Coinbase for XRP. So yeah, I just keep them. I just like to see the different levels and volumes. There's different numbers that are coming in sometimes. So yeah. There's not many streamers I find out there trust and find credible, but you're one of them. I like the way you present yourself and analyze. Oh, I appreciate that, Doug. Thanks, man. Thank you. First time watching, like the content. Do you hold ADA? I do not hold ADA, Ryan. I did back in the previous bull run. I was a big ADA person. Just a slow mover. I think it's a good crypto to have. It's just a really, really slow mover. And I've kind of I allocated my funds somewhere else for ADA. Not that it's bad. It's just not my my blockchain to hold during this run. Again, I think they're going to do well. I think people that are there holding are going to do well. It's just not my where I put my focus, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Hope all is good. Yeah. How much money do you make with 1,000 a day on XRP? If you put 1,000 a day on XRP, well, it just depends on the day, I guess. They just canceled you. Uphold canceled your account. Gosh. Horror story. I set my limit for XRP, walked away, came back and hit the button. Somehow it switched back to market sold. All XRP. Wife sick. Ah, dude, that's tough, dude. Your average price is one. So you just sold, Tony? Like you just sold, your average price is 116. You just sold. Well, we'll wait for the dip to come down, man. Don't be upset. We'll get back into it. I held the top in 2018 and lost 83% of my portfolio. Please do not make the same. Yeah, exactly, dude. 83% of your portfolio. I'm not the only one that is saying that. Everyone, a lot of people here have been through this. Will say the same thing. I mean, it's very common. Yo, leave ADA alone. Leave ADA alone. Yeah, Kyle, I'm with you, dude. The profits will be awesome. I'm with you. I think a lot of us feel the same way, dude. What's a good exit strategy for XRP? I always think back to that. What's his name? The exit strategy, the Henok exit strategy. That video where those people, the Henok, you guys know what I'm talking about. People have been here. Like that one was so funny to me, dude. You buy the bottom and you sell the top. Your exit strategy is buying the bottom, selling the top. It's that easy. I get it, dude. 76,000 subscribers strong. Let's make it to 77. Heck yeah, dude. Did we just pass a milestone here? Did we just pass a milestone? Oh, snap. Did we finally get to 77? Are we almost there? I haven't looked, dude. Let's see here. 76,312. Yeah, we're 76,312. We'll get there. 77,000 is the next level. So, yeah, appreciate all that. Do you think scamming will grow with users' adoptions? Scamming? Oh yeah, dude. There's always gonna be scams out there, dude. Is Discord an app? Yeah. You can download Discord. Yeah, it's an app on your phone. Coinbase just blocked my account. Ooh, man, Kenny, that's not good. Don't get greedy. That's how you lose money. Yeah, dude. You can go. There's the FOMO's real, dude. Damn, I'm like, what's up, Andrew? Newbies usually buy high and sell low. Absolutely, dude. Buy low, sell high. The strategy is buy low, sell high. If that's what you're not doing, I don't know what. If you're not doing it, you're not doing it right. You gotta buy low, sell high. What's your prediction for ETH? I think ETH is gonna sit around. I think my call for ETH was like 10K. 10K ETH I think would be awesome. But that would be, it's probably mostly going to be about an 8K. It's probably going to be an 8K ETH. You never know what the high really is. No one knows. That's the funny part about it. My call's name is that everyone says buy low, sell high, sell the top. Like, yeah. We all try to do that. That's exactly what we all try to do. We all try to do the same thing. Is everyone wants an exit strategy is not a Ponzi. Yeah, right. Everyone does become. That's the thing that's tough is that people do become exit strategies. You're right. Uh, and we are all an exit strategy for the whales. Like I said, I've always said follow the whales. If whales start to sell, you should start to sell. If whales start to buy, you should start to buy. I've always said that, dude. And all the years I've streamed, that's like my number one thing I've always said. I've said probably a lot of other things, but I mean, I've always said follow the whales. You go back and watch previous streams from years ago. You'll probably catch me saying in there, follow what the whales do, dude. Whales are your indicators, are huge indicators for what the market's going to do. That's why I tell you to watch the whale alert, follow that kind of stuff. What's up, Rob? Got it. Buy on correction, sell on erection. Oh my God, Chameleon. Austin, I have always done it wrong, held to the bottom. Chad, I'm with you, dude. Hey, we've all done it, dude. Don't feel like you're the only one that's done that. We've all done that. Everyone, and if someone says that they haven't done that, they're lying to you, dude. They are absolutely lying to you. YouTube is your best friend. Yeah, YouTube's good. People, when they first start, dude, we all do the same thing. We all do the same thing. We'll all lose like 90% of our net worth in the first year of our trading because we do not know how to sell. Yeah, FOMO is fear of missing out. Yes. Buy high, sell higher. Buy high. Yeah, right. Buy high, sell higher. What's up, Justin? I've heard a few times XRP could flip ETH. It's already flipped it a few times. So yeah, it could definitely do it again. It could definitely do it again. We're already starting off to the good year here. You see right here, 2025 Bitcoin, we're up 1.64%. ETH, we're up 1.35%. Look through the previous years on Q1. Bitcoin hit 68% up in 2024, 71% up in 2023. 2023 was 52% up, 59% up, and right here. So I think we're actually looking pretty damn good right now. 2024, 2025 we're hoping 2025 is going to be the bull market. That's what we're going for right here. And last time we had a bull market, it went up 160%, and Bitcoin went up 103 in the bull. So again, we're going to be sitting nice from where we're at right now. I've been investing 20 billion of my trust fund money into XRP. Damn. Follow the whale alerts, dude. Brian, I say follow the whale alerts. There's a ton out there on YouTube or on X, dude. Follow them. They'll tell you, and the markets will adjust to them, right? So when you see a lot more whale activity on exchanges, that's a sign that people are going to sell, dude. So try to get ahead of that. Try to get ahead of that if you can. I'm not saying it's the easy thing to do, but I mean, yeah, Anti-Soul, thanks so much for all the donations over here on TikTok. Appreciate that a ton. Can you explain why XRP is getting more attention than XLM and who is really outperforming it? I think that we've been holding XRP. A lot of us have been holding XRP for years, dude. Way before XLM. People have been holding XRP for 7 years, 5 years, 3 years, and it's gone through hell, right? So we've all held through the fire, and so it's kind of like it's kind of why I think a lot of people like XRP. I'm still pretty new to this. Been trying to just buy as much as XRP as I possibly can. Hey, yeah, Dustin. I mean, you got to start accumulating somewhere. You know what I mean? So again, we look at trends. Very, very good trend right here. Okay. Obviously, we had three years of we have 3 years basically of green. 1, 2, 3. 1 year of sell off. Right. 3 years of green. 1, 2, 3. 1 year of sell off. Right now we're going into this one right here. 3, 1, 2, 3, and some sell-off coming here. They're saying January 2026 is where we'll see the peak in the sell-off right here, up in the 200,000 mark for Bitcoin. So again, congrats to anyone who actually was following the 3-year the cycles of Bitcoin. You can follow the cycles right here, and so far these cycles have held true. So this is a huge indicator that we're right here, guy. Like you are here right at the perfect timing for what's going to happen. How much should we peel on the way? It just makes gains smaller, doesn't it? Yes, it does, Llama Heather. It does make gains smaller. It's tough to tell, man. I don't know exactly the price to pull. I mean, $7 is what I think. If I think $7 is the peak, I mean that's kind of where you start building an exit strategy out of your position. The second time investing, I haven't lost so far. That's good. That's good. Club Drone, thanks so much for the $2. We love your content. Any thoughts on Gigabyte Pump? I have no idea. I don't even know if I know what that is. Is that a token or is that like? Yeah, I don't know what it is. But thanks so much for the $2. Maybe some people in the chat know what that is. I agree on 7. Yeah, 7 seems to be a pretty likely number. And if it goes above 7, then it goes above 7. 2029, 2030. It's tough to say, man. It's so far out. I think Austin should do a HAL for old time's sake. No way. Most toxic. No way. I never even did a HAL. Do you think it'll go up once Trump goes into office? Yes. Yes. Dips for you. Yes. Absolutely. Yes, Hawaii Rider. What's up, buddy? I think everything's showing us. I don't know how else to make it clear without saying it. I think I made it pretty clear on where we're going, what everything's looking like, all the trends, percentages. We've thrown out all the percentages in the world right now, and I don't know what else to say, dude. Is your Discord available? It will. I'm gonna try to get it up tomorrow, dude. That's my goal. Just get it open, get it out there. So, and then I'll adjust on the fly. Like I said, we'll let everyone get in there and mess it all up so I can start making adjustments. Is there a threshold to how much ETH or XRP one should hold this year? There's not a threshold. I don't think. Just as much. You should only be investing what you're willing to lose, right? And only invest what you're willing to lose. So whatever that might be, everyone's in a different scenario or different boat. So, what are your thoughts on ICP? I think ICP is good, right? Internet of all things, type of blockchain. I think that they're going to be doing well, just like a VeChain. I think they're going to do well. Yes. Yeah, Bitcoin. I'll sell all of it, dude. I'm not Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor, he's going to hold his Bitcoin till the day he dies, right? That's not me, dude. He's already a billionaire. I'm not, and I won't be a billionaire if I think I'm more in a position to sell my assets to then buy the bear market. That's really the goal. So, watching my money, my unrealized gains go up, and I have a couple million in a wallet, and then watch them go back down to 500,000. That does nothing for me. What meme coins are you passionate about? There's not a lot of meme coins I'm passionate about. Pepe for sure. I've held Pepe for a long time. That's probably the only meme coin I think I can really say that I actually have an investment in. But I think there's gonna be meme coins that are gonna do well. There's gonna be utility tokens that come out here that are gonna do really well. There's gonna be projects that I'm probably gonna jump into that have use case behind them that I'm excited for, that I'm gonna jump into. There's gonna be new projects that are coming out. New technology is gonna get released. There's gonna be new blockchains that are gonna do different things. Like, that happens all the time. Look at Sui. Sui just came out, and it's starting to, it's doing really well in the markets. There's gonna be other things that come out that I'm gonna invest my money into. So yeah, but I'm not gonna jump into some meme coin that has no use case. I might dabble around and play around, but I'm not gonna, that's not my focus. Austin, I sold at 225 when it jumped 8%. Do you think it may still get back to the level, or am I screwed? No, Roland, don't think that. You know what I mean? You just got to create a new entry point. You made profits. You took your profits, Roland. You sold. You took your money. You got that 8%, and now you just got to find an entry point again. You didn't lose. You haven't lost yet. So now just try to find an entry point that works out and wait for the next run, and you're still up. You know what I mean? You haven't lost out, dude. Don't think that just because it's starting to run and you missed out where you sold it doesn't mean that you've lost out on any future trades. Never risk what you're not willing to lose. Not financial advice. You're just some common knowledge. Yeah, Kyle. Just never extend yourself. I'm up over 5K since watching you. Damn, bro. Right, Llama Heather? That's fantastic, dude. Up 5K. That's fantastic returns, man. 589. Trent thinks 589. Maybe 589 in 20 years. In 20 years, if it hits 589, dude, that's a win, bro. 20 years for XRP at 589, that's a huge win. 80% Japanese banks set to adopt Ripple. That'd be crazy if it does. Yeah, I'm thinking we can do the math again, and we can go back and look at HBAR, right? We haven't done the math for HBAR. We could look back and see where HBAR is at, right? Let's go back to the week. So last all-time high was right here at 18 cents. In the last bull market, 18 cents was its all-time. Well, no, that's not right. That's not right. That's not right. Here we go. Is that right? That's billions. I don't want that. I don't want the market cap. There we go. That's what I wanted. All right. So, tell you the truth, I think I actually might switch that out. Just a sec. Just a sec, guys. Making some adjustments on the fly here. All right. So previous high is here, right? So previous high was up here at 58 cents. That was a previous high, okay? So if we're saying that the previous high, I mean, we still have a lot of ways to go, dude, for this to hit. Damn. If we get back to all-time highs, that's about 100% up for where it's at right now. I said $2.50 was roughly $2. I think I said $2, $1.50. I think I wrote a thing for $2.50, $1, $1.50 or $2.50. I had to go back and look. Let's test it at $1.50 right now. So if we say it's going to hit $1.50, we know that we're going to lose 70% of the market. So yeah, dude, that's might go to $2 now. Let's see what $2 is. Yeah, about $2, dude. I think $2 is a fair assessment for this run, dude. Which would put it up if we hit $2 from where it's at right now, would be about a 500% increase from where it's at. I mean, that very well could happen, right? Again, projections are this is just fun. I don't know if this really what's going to happen, but I mean, yeah, $150 to $200 is not a bad deal. I think you're right on, Cassandra. I think that's a good number based off of everything that we're looking at here. The question is, will it dip afterwards? How far? Yeah, so let's look at that. Let's talk about the dip, right? So we do know that it's going to go up. This is exactly what happens, guys. Just to let you know, this is a very, very common thing that happened. This is so just be prepared for this, please, because we are going to go up. We are going to have a rally. You can see right here, we're going to probably go up. We're going to hit, we're going to hit some good numbers up here, and then we're going to have a dip, dude. Like I said, we're going to have a dip going into another dip. It's going to be a whether you want to call it a dead cat bounce, whatever you want to call it, dude. We are going to rally out of this. We're going to have a New Year's dip or a New Year's rally into the next year, and we're going to have a fall off again. How far does that go? I don't know. So when everyone asks, like, are we going to come back down? Yeah, we'll probably come back down to some level. What that level is, I don't know. Could we come back down to a $2 XRP, to a 190 XRP? Maybe, yeah. This is very, very common. You can see right here in 2024, we had a nice little rally. We came into it. We hit this peak. We came crashing back down. XRP went from, the Bitcoin went from roughly $50 down to roughly $38. So, I mean, we could go back and look at that, and we can actually calculate how much of a loss in the market that was. So we'll say that in 2024, let me find it real quick. Actually, let's stay on the week chart. Let's stay on the week chart here. So 2024 was right here. Where the hell was it? Right here. Yeah, right here. So here's the rally, right? Let's actually go to the day chart. Make it easier now. All right. So here we are, right? Here's the day chart. We go into 2024 here. January 2024. So we rally up, right? We see this rally up. Everyone see this over here? Sorry, you have to come over to YouTube if you want to see this. So here's the dip that we charted out last time, right? We lost 21% in the market, maybe a little more than that on this dip. We came up. This is the ETF thing. If you guys don't remember, this is where ETFs all hit, right? We came up out of the year into November, December, boom, we hit up here, and then we had a 21% loss in the market. Okay, so let's go back and look at today. Let's see where we're at today. So we're going to rally back up. I don't know where we're going to go up to. We could rally back up to maybe 110. Let's just say we rally back up to 110. Maybe somewhere in this ballpark, and then we lose 20% in the market. That'll put us back down to roughly an 88,000 Bitcoin. So yeah, we could get below the 90s. We could get definitely into the 190 mark for XRP again, right? We'd rally up here, which is roughly, let's say that's actually, let's go back to Bitcoin. So we'll say from where we're at right now, that's a rally from 13%. So that's about a 15% rally from where we're at right now. before we have maybe a sell-off. So we're going to say 15%. So let's go over to XRP, and this could be more because Bitcoin, obviously this could go higher because of this. So let's just say that we have a 15%. Yeah, we could probably hit all-time high. I mean, let's just say that we go above that, we'd hit the $3 mark, right? Which is 26% return. And then we lose about 20% in the market. Back down to 230. Yeah, I mean, it'll be interesting to see. I mean, I don't know. We'll definitely drop back down. It's hard to map out, but we'll definitely come crashing back down. 20% dip in the market. 20% dip in Bitcoin will cause a pretty big crash. Will probably cause about anywhere from a 30 to 40% dip in altcoins. Typically is how it happens, right? We can go back and look at well, let's go look at Ethereum. So we can still get the same time frame, right? Let's look at Ethereum during December of 2024. 22, 23, 24, right here. This is the dip right here, right? So we go into 2024. Here's the dip. How much did Ethereum lose in this dip? 20% dip. Damn. All right. I see you. Oh, got kicked off of TikTok again for scams. They're really going at it on TikTok. Gosh dang. I think so basically we're going to say about 20%, right? 20% dip in the market. Some of these altcoins might get hit more, some of these altcoins might get hit less. So we'll see what happens, guys, but yeah, expect that. This is a very, very common thing to expect. You can see this right here. So just anticipate this. What's up, G Vibes? This bull run have ape in when the bear market comes again. My real play is the next super cycle. Yeah, I hope we're in for a nice super cycle for sure. How come alts don't jump when BTC jumps? Because they again, when money flows into Bitcoin, they leave alts, and then vice versa. So yeah, that's 100% what I would focus on, dude. I want things that are I want cryptos that are gonna make I want crypto projects that are gonna be utilized and bring value back to the token or coin in which they hold. So that's utility. Utility is where you don't need emotion. You don't need people to buy up a chart to make it go up. Like that's a meme coin. Meme coins are where you get a bunch of people to go in. It's all based off hype, all based off excitement, and people come and they buy up the charts and then sell the charts, and it's all based off emotion. I want something where if it's based off people using it makes the chart go up, right? People using Ethereum make it go up. People using XRP make it go up. People using the token to some degree or the coin to some degree makes the chart go up. Doing something makes the crypto valuable, not just emotion and hype that it got on Binance. You know what I mean? Or that Elon tweeted about it. Like that's cool. Like don't get me wrong, I'm not dogging that. There's a whole market for that, but that's just not my focus. Never has. I mean, it never really has been. I've kind of always leaned more towards utility. Sell even the ISO coins at the top. Yes, I mean, yeah, that's the whole point of this market, dude. You gotta be able to. That's how you make your money, dude. You buy, you sell, you try to sell towards the top of the market because we know it's going to come back down to some degree. How far does it go? I don't know. It could take a year and a half to get to the bottom market. So you might be sitting on your profits for a year and a half before you buy the bottom. Right? It's not like it's going to hit the top and then come down the next day. You're going to be at the all-time bottom again. Like, no, it's going to take a year or two to get to the bottom of that. And you could sit, a lot of us will sit on the outside and just wait. Right? We have to do some day trades and have some fun in there. But a lot of it's a waiting game in the bear market. The bear market can be tough, dude, because people they still invest like it's the bull market, and that's where they get hurt. Yeah. Let's go, team. Thanks for the help and the newer people. Yeah, no problem. 857 Tucson. Linda V. What's up, Linda? Every country is rushing to be a leader in crypto. Absolutely, Kyle. Yeah, I think that's not a bad thing. For newcomer, would you suggest continue to buy, then hold and DCA your way into a bear market to accumulate? No, I don't think I would do that. I think I would buy DCA your way in positions during this run right now and try to make a profit off the top somewhere, right? Try to sell and then the next bear market you should wait and start accumulating. Again, there's a lot of indicators out here of when you should start accumulating. Again, but you can day trade the markets, dude. I mean, even in a bear market, you have to be on top of them, and you have to be willing to. They're going to go up and down, just like we see, but they'll just be on the downtrend up and down. So, how low do you think HBAR would go in the next bear market? Its previous usually goes down to its previous all-time high, right? So we're hoping that HBAR breaks out of this, and we say it goes up to the $2.50 that we talked about, right? Say that we want it to hit this 250 or this $2 mark. Then we know that it's going to lose about 70% in the market, which again is right here. A previous all-time high was right around this 58-cent mark. So that's 70% loss in the market. So yeah, the next previous low in the next market will be 58 cents, give or take. Don't worry about losing your position in crypto because you sell in the summer, buy it back in Christmas of 2025, or you buy it back in Christmas of 2026 or 2027. Sometimes you got to wait, dude. Added more vet this morning. All right, damn. Thomas, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Have you ever taken a look at Anchor? I bought Anchor a while back, but it's a slow mover for me. I don't own it, and yeah, it's just not one of those ones that intrigue me at this moment. So yeah. And thanks again so much for the $2. Lambie, thanks so much for the $2 as well. XRP to 1,000 in 2030 if all the banks. I mean, that's pretty strong. I mean, honestly, if it gets to the $100 mark, I'd be beyond. I mean, that's probably even extreme. So yeah, thanks so much for the $2. What site do you recommend for all your crypto transactions? Like, you talking like centralized exchange or decentralized exchange, Zach? I feel like that dip is coming this weekend, so the manipulators can get a good entry point. Justin, it very well could happen, right? Got to always prepare. All the big dogs are on vacation, 100%. What time frame are you discussing? I can't see it very well. I'm looking at the day chart right now. The day chart for HBAR. Mostly when I pull back, I try to do the day chart. Sometimes I'll pull back on the week chart, but yeah, I try to do the day chart. Any chance you know why Cardano is being called out with XRP and XLM with the acceptance of adoption? I have no idea, dude. I know that they're trying to do what they're trying to do, like their midnight protocol, which again could be good. And they're trying to work with XRP and Ripple, so that's kind of cool. Meme coins are risky. Oh, super risky, dude. What site do you recommend trading on? I trade on Coinbase a lot. Utility will hold long-term value instead of bipolar. Yeah, exactly. Find projects that, honestly, dude, if you want my opinion going into this, a lot of you haven't even gotten to decentralized. A lot of you guys haven't even got to the decentralized side of crypto yet. And one day you will find the access to decentralized crypto. And trust me, it's a different space. Decentralized crypto is different, right? Having a hot wallet, trading on Uniswaps into DEXs. That is the future. That is the future of finance. So decentralization is what we want, right? We don't want centralization. We want decentralization. And so you eventually, if you're going to continue in the space of crypto, you have to eventually make the jump from centralization to decentralization. You're going to have to make that jump. And a lot of you that are new to crypto here haven't made that jump yet. Where you'll find new projects, you'll find new investments, you'll find like, how do I get in early to projects? How do I get in early to some of these plays? Like that, you'll eventually make that jump. That jump will happen, but just realize that in that time frame, there is a lot of bipolar extremes over there in terms of you can get into meme plays that can really hurt you. You can get into new projects that haven't been fully established yet, that could, haven't developed a whole lot yet. And yeah, so there's a lot of things out there that you guys haven't experienced. Some of you obviously have that have been here for a long time and know it. But yeah, there is that whole other side of crypto that you haven't even probably tested. What coin are you most bullish on? XRP for sure. HBAR is right there too. Let's see. I'm so far behind here. I'm gonna try to catch up. Trying to swing betting on a dip is, yeah. I'm with you, Timsky. It's kind of hard, dude. Stellar is decentralized. Yeah, yeah. Trading on XLM is decentralized, but a lot of people don't know how to do that, right? A lot of people don't even know how to buy ETH on a hot wallet, and how to transfer ETH or get into a pre-sell, or how to buy into new tokens, or how to even look at a DEX screener. So yeah, there's a lot out there, but I mean, I know there's a lot of people in here that probably haven't done that yet. What do you think about liquidity at $1.70 on XRP, and what do you think about sudden pump? I don't know about all that. Yo, what's up? What's up, Vincenzo? Yeah, Chainlink's already doing well, Marty. Chainlink's done wonders already, dude. Where's Chainlink? Chainlink's doing really well. Yeah, Chainlink's another one of those, cryptos that have made it through the bear market. You see over here, I mean, dude, they made it through a lot. Their all-time high was $52 back in the previous bull. So yeah, they have a lot of room to run. Yes, they are decentralized. I'm talking about people haven't used decentralized. Like you could own Flare and Stellar that you bought on Coinbase, but I'm talking about using decentralization, like going over and actually moving your money around on the decentralized side. So like using XLM to purchase things on the DeFi side, or using like Ethereum to buy things on the DeFi side, or moving your stuff over to Base, or that's what I'm talking about. Just because you own it and it's decentralized is one thing, but to actually use XLM to transfer tokens to save yourself money. Like that's what I'm talking about. XLM's great. Are you planning to sell a percentage of your tokens at different price points? Yeah, that could happen, Kristen. Yeah. I don't know enough about that, Frankie. I don't know enough about that one. Yeah, Vet is VeChain. Yeah, yep. God, thanks so much for the $2. Yeah, it's VeChain. I tried trading ETH based coins years ago. What Won't do it again. Way too high. Yeah, Shannon, they've changed it though. Now they have other blockchains out there. I mean, they have like Base. Base right now is an Ethereum based layer 2 from Coinbase. Coinbase created a blockchain called Base, and it's just like going over to the Ethereum network, but you're going over to the Base network and you're using Ethereum. Yeah, it's actually a pretty good block. It's very cheap. It's not expensive. But you're still using Ethereum. It'll be wrapped in coin, or wrapped in Base, but I mean, it's still Ethereum, and yeah, it's pretty legit. Austin, can you bring up the daily or weekly chart on the full market cap of crypto? Yeah, we can do that. Here's the daily chart, right? Looking pretty good. If you look at the daily chart, it looks just like Bitcoin's chart. There's the daily. Weekly looks like this. I mean, like that's pretty damn good. Throughout all the years of crypto, that's pretty good for total market cap. So just continues to grow. Just wait till what happens. Question from the title. Oh, ETFs. We got Josh. We got, like I said, just wait till we had over 13 billion in trade volume coming in yesterday, which was crazy, right? A lot of volume coming in. And I said, just wait until Gary Gensler's out of office. Just wait till Trump comes into office. Just wait till we get an ETF with XRP. Like you thought those volumes were huge. Wait till we start seeing that stuff. So just let everyone know I'll be jumping off here in about 2 minutes. So just giving everyone a heads up on that one. I'll be jumping off in about 2 minutes, which will be put us on for about an hour and a half almost. So I don't have much education on Vet. Yeah, I'm with you. I know Vet a little bit. I don't invest a ton in there. Other people really like it. I think it's a good blockchain. Again, it's not my biggest focus. Yeah, a D5, I don't know, and I'd have to ask someone. Like I said, I know a little bit about it, but I couldn't break it down totally. There's other people here that know way more about Vet than I do. Why don't you live stream somewhere warm? Like, yeah, like outside? I held on. I was bad. Yeah. Betting on a meme coin going up 10,000 is like betting on Russell Westbrook to get a triple double tomorrow night. Hey, back in the day though, he was a triple double god. You could, Mr. Stock. You could. Thanks, Austin. Yeah, no problem, dude. Hit that like button. I appreciate you, Trent. Thanks so much, man. What do you think about it? Yeah, I don't know enough about it. Vicencio, thanks so much for the $2, dude. You think January 15th is going to be big for XRP? I think January 20th is going to be even bigger. And there's always a chance. Yeah, right, XRP, Trey. Austin, can you please? I don't know enough about virtual protocol. Tax harvesting all in one transaction. Yeah. XLM is next bullish behind XRP. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, in the Discord. Yeah. Just a KillerWell. Thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team, dude. Wow. Thank you very much, dude. If just a KillerWell donated 5, gave you a donation to the A team and a subscription here, or membership. Please say thank you to KillerWell. And dude, thank you so much. 5 new members. Welcome to the A team. You're officially now part of the A team, and hopefully you'll be able to get into Discord tomorrow. Never get rid of the toes. But yeah, with all that, guys, I'm gonna hop off here. I appreciate everyone coming on here and kicking with me today. Like I said, I'm gonna be working on my Discord today, most of it, so I get it up and running tomorrow for everyone, so we can get in there and start. You guys can start messing it up and tell me how horrible it is. That's the goal, at least. So I'll take all the criticism in the world to try to make it the best Discord ever. So with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks again so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. The charts are looking good. I think we're going to sit here. We'll probably be a little flatline for the most part, which I'm okay with. If we have a nice little rally at it, I'm cool with that too. But right now, things are looking like it's going to be sideways trading. So yeah, with all that, hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much. Love you guys a ton. We're out. Peace out, everyone.